Good afternoon. My name is Joo-haeng, co-founder and CEO of Pebblous. I have delivered many presentations, but this is the first time right after the very great performance of the baritone, and I feel pressure. And you can see numbers on the screen, 140. What does it mean? And all the rectangulars, the black ones, the number of the black rectangulars. And I will color them. And these rectangulars are called as pixels. In the computer graphics, consist of images. This is the smallest unit. The pixel is not that big, so I will make it small. This is the half small. So it now became 500, and it now is 2000, 9000. And you can see still rectangular shapes. 32,000, and now it goes beyond 100,000, and it is now over 500,000, and we're near the last stage, and it is over 2 million. So over 2 million means that the average monitor. So this small pixels with this, what can we do? Let's change the location of the pixels. And you can see the patterns. Maybe you can see it from the nature. And I will make another pattern. And these are the same pixels. And it looks like an abstract painting. And another calculation. And you can see the calm gradation like this. We can rarely see the pixels, but pixels are still there. So with the 2 million pixels, they are from this familiar painting. And this is Ghost, the painting titled Roses. So with using this painting, we get pixels like this. And with the one group of pixels, we can draw different paintings. And what about using these pixels of this painting? And he is Go. And this is the last, his portrait. So with using the same pixels, we can draw different paintings. And this is the original color of the self-portrait. And on top of it, I will add another color. Can you see the painting titled Pink Go? Where does the pink come from? I like walking the Arboretum of Tejon, and these are the pictures that I took. So I got the color pink from that flower and added on the Go painting. And I added my experiences on my favorite painting. I can add many pictures and add many pixels. So let's say that Gohu's painting is one dot, and I can create the curved lines, which means a great potential. And this is the way that we use artificial intelligence creating new images. Then from the familiar shapes, and if the color is different, then it makes you think where those colors come from. And if I collect all the pixels from that painting, you can see the sand color pixels and make it zoom out. And these are different. If you take a closer look, it feels like there is something inside. So the pixels looked like a painting, but they are an individual image. So 2 million sand-like pixels are in fact one image, and this is the learning data set used for AI. which is the WikiR dataset. So those are the data used for creating new images and data. As you saw, the data used complex data complexities and numbers are really different from the ones that humans are using. So with these differences, the AI can do great jobs. But since using this data, sometimes AI does that human cannot understand. So number of the data set that AI is using is rapidly increasing. So I show you 2 million data pixels, but when 1990, when it was first introduced, it was only a few thousands, but it rose rapidly. Now it is beyond 1 billion pixels. 1 million images and pixels are used for ChatGPT and AI doing great jobs. The interesting is the big data are saying that they are lack of data. As the AI capabilities are stagnated, so they're asking to have more data. So let's think about the 1 billion data. What does it look like? So let's say that there are 500 grid, and inside, if we fill the data inside, it becomes 1 billion data. It's a large number of data beyond our imagination. So traditionally, based on mathematics, I believe that we have created civilization. However, we have the data-based technology, and we are trying to master that technology. And thanks for the advent of AI, we now have new curiosity, which triggers and motivates scientists and artists together. So in fact, 2020, in the Biennale in Daejeon exhibition, I had the chance to do my own exhibition, and I was working at Tree as a computer scientist. So the 16 pattern on the screen is the pattern that I like, and on the left side, there new pattern applied with the new generative AI. So I had experience expanding my own worldview and landscape. So it also expanded my view as a computer scientist. So I have felt the sense of transcending, and it led to my startup company. So left image is the very small data like sand, and now I decided to become a doctor like a pebble. So Pebble Plus is the name of my startup, and the main product is a data clinic, the data general hospitals. We consider data as patients, so we analyze them, we solve the problems, and this is what we do. So as data is complicated, it needs a visualization technology. So based on the technology-based data, we have data at lab, and for many, we are trying to deliver the values of data. And a few weeks ago, with the help of the Hyundai, I exhibited my vision on media art. The title is The Tangible Data, and from data nature to data culture. That's the theme of my exhibition. So I look at the data as new nature and created something out of it. And data-based technology. On top of that, everyone can explore data using and create data and make contributions to the world. And also, we can also archive those experiences. So we were inspired by the spaceship. We made the console interaction technology and also created the archive as well. And since we are inspired by Pebbles, so we insulted that So including children, many participated to our exhibition. So we provided a guidance to explore this data technology. So this is my story. So with the sand-like data coming up with some concrete data like pebbles. So in that process, we apply technology and we make business opportunity out of it. And this is my story. And I hope that my story gives you some inspiration to you all. Thank you very much.